Together, growing in faith, changing communities.
Igama likayise benendodana nomoya ocwebileyo. Sanibonani ithandwa zami, welcome to this morning live. Igama lami nguFather Thembelani. I am a Catholic priest in the Archdiocese of Durban. Siyambonga uNkulunkulu ngokuhle asenzela kona. Siyambonga uNkulunkulu ngokuthembeka kwakhe. Siyambonga uNkulunkulu ngomusa ayiwona empilweni zethu. Namhlanje ke ithandwa zami, we are celebrating and reflecting on Luke chapter 16 verse 19 to verse 31. Chapter 16 rather, verse 19 to verse 31. Asimceleni ke uNkulunkulu abe nathi, ahlale nathi. Now, if you go to Luke chapter 16 from verse 19, there was once a rich man who dressed in most expensive clothes and lived in great luxury every day. There was also a poor man named Lazarus, covered with sores, who used to be brought to the rich man's door, hoping to eat the bits of the food that fell from the rich man's table. Even the dogs would come and lick his sores. Ngiyafuna sihlale kule ndaba kancane. There was once a rich man. Kuke kwaba khona indoda eke yaceba. Kuke kwaba khona isikhathi la izinto zike zangihambela khona kahle. Kuke kwaba khona isikhathi la engangenza noma yini engangifisa. Kuke kwaba khona isikhathi la umzimba wami ubunamandla okwenza noma yini. Mhlawumbe into yokuqala engifuna ukuqala kuyona, ngifuna ukuqala egameni elithi konke kuyadlula. Konke kuzodlula. Those two words. Konke kuyadlula. Konke kuzodlula. Write it down for me, please. Konke kuyadlula. Konke kuzodlula. There was once a rich man. Kuke kwaba khona indoda eyayicebile. Kwake kwaba khona umama owayenakho konke. Kwake kwaba khona isikhathi la engangaxakekile khona. Kwake kwaba khona isikhathi la sasidla noma yini esasifuna. Kuke kwaba khona isikhathi la bengizenzela khona umathanda. Konke kuyadlula. Konke kuzodlula. Thandwa zami, nothing remain the same in life. Things change. Life changes. Kumina ibalekile lenkonzo yokwazi. There's this beautiful motto, this too shall pass. Noma ngathiwa kuyini, noma ngathiwa kwenzakaleni, noma ngathiwa kwenzakalani. Uma uhlala empilweni unalenkonzo yokuqonda ukuthi kusangadlula, kusangaphela, kusangashintsha. So iyodwa inkonzo ekumele engabe nginayo, sinayo, inkonzo yokubonga. Ngiyabonga Nkosi, usangibusise ngabantwana abangilalelayo. Ngiyabonga Nkosi, usangibusise ngomzimba okwazi ukungithwala ngingaye embhedeni sekubhlungu umzimba wonke. Ngiyabonga Nkosi, unginikeze impilo, angisiye umuntu ohlala ekodokotela njalo. Ngiyabonga Nkosi, usanginike amandla okuba ngikwazi ukusebenza. Ngiyabonga Nkosi, usanginikeze amandla nesibusiso sokuba nomndeni. Konke kuyaphela, konke kungaphela. Nothing remains the same in life. Thandwa zami, kuzodlula yonke into ekhona, okuhle nokubi, okuthandekayo nesingakuthandi, esikufisayo nesingakufisi. It's only a matter of time. Write that down for me. It is only a matter of time. Ngiyafisa ukuba kuyo yonke into obhekana nayo, kuyo yonke into esempilweni yakho, kuyo yonke into ecindezela impilo yakho, it is only a matter of time. Sodlula isigaba esidlulayo, yinto edlulayo. It is only a matter of time. Ngiyamfisa uNkulunkulu engathi ubengasinikeza lawo mandla. Ngiyamfisa uNkulunkulu sengathi ubengasinikeza lokho kuhlakanipha. Ngiyamfisa uNkulunkulu sengathi ubengakwambulela abaningi abangakubonanga, ukuthi it's only a matter of time. Yes, kwesinye isikhathi abanye abantu bazothi kodwa Father sekuthatha isikhathi eside, kodwa Father sekungilimaze kakhulu, kodwa Father angisenawo amandla oqhubekela phambili. Kodwa bengifuna ukuthi kuwena uNkulunkulu uyakuthemba, uNkulunkulu uyalazi igalelo lakho, uNkulunkulu uyawazi amandla akho, uNkulunkulu uyayazi into wena okwazi ukubhekana nayo and still survive and leave a mark and move on in life. It's only a matter of time. Bengathi kuwena namhlanje kuseni, sukuma qhawe lenkosi. Bengathi kuwena namhlanje kuseni, sukuma wena uJehova agiyayo ngawe. Sukuma wena uJehova akhombisa abantu ngawe ukuthi impela mina ngizozibonakalisa. Bengathi kuwena namhlanje kuseni, nanku umkhuleko. Bukisa ngami Nkosi. Ziveze amandla akho ngami Nkosi. Uyabona ithandwa zami, kunento emnandi nebalulekile empilweni, ukuthi ngelinye ilanga abantwana bakho bazoke bakhuleke kuNkulunkulu walesi sikhathi esinzima empilweni yakho. Abantwana bakho bazothi mabexakeka, beshayeka, kungenzeki lutho, bathi ngimbonile kodwa uma, ngimbonile kodwa baba, ngimbonile kodwa ugogo. Kunama colleagues akho mhlawumbe wakhulumi nawe kodwa amile ngoba buka impilo yakho, amile ngoba buka isibindi sakho, amile ngoba buka amandla uNkulunkulu awabeke kuwena. Ngifuna ukuthi kuwena ukona konke nanku umkhuleko, bukisa ngami Nkosi. Ziveze amandla akho ngami Nkosi. Kukona konke athobhala kahle athi siyanqoba ngaye ongamandla ethu, athi siyanqoba ngaye olithemba lethu, athi siyanqoba ngaye, athi bheka sinobufakazi. Ufuna ukuhlala kule ndaba ethi kuke kwabakhona. Thandwa zami, kunezikhathi ezofika empilweni la abantu bazoke bakhulume bathi kuke kwabonakala uThixo empilweni kaSibanibani, kuke kwabonakala izimangaliso ngempilo kaSibanibani, kuke kwenzeka ukuthi uSibanibani esanathi ehlala nathi. Kunezimangaliso uNkulunkulu azenzayo, kunezimangaliso uNkulunkulu azoyivusa, kunezimangaliso uNkulunkulu asibekele zona. Kumina kuvuka inkonzo ethi kunomphako uNkulunkulu awubekele isizwe esizayo, athi qakela ubani lo mphako engikhuluma ngawo, athi wena uqobo lwakho. Akungibhalele phansi uthi mina ngingumphako ozokondla isizukulwane sikaNkulunkulu esizayo. Mina ngingumphako ozokondla isizukulwane sikaNkulunkulu esizayo. Mina ngingumphako ozokondla isizukulwane sikaNkulunkulu esizayo. Kunabantu uNkulunkulu abanike inkonzo akayinika amadoda sendulo kuqala. Uthi sasazi ukuthi ngelinye ilanga siyophiliswa ubufakazi bempilo yoShadrach, noMeshach, no-Abednego. Uthi wawazi ngelinye ilanga siyophiliswa ubufakazi bempilo yoJobe. Uthi wawazi ngelinye ilanga siyophiliswa ubufakazi bempilo yoPawulosi. Uthi wawazi ngelinye ilanga siyophiliswa ubufakazi bempilo yoDaniel. Ngithi kuwena namhlanje, thatha lenkonzo ethi mina ngingumphako ozodliwa isizukulwane sikaNkulunkulu. Mina ngingumphako ozodliwa isizukulwane sikaNkulunkulu esizayo. Kunezinto uNkulunkulu azilungisayo ngawe. Kunale nkonzo ayilungisayo, athi bomphako, athi ngelinye ilanga, athi ngiyozuza imphefumulo engeyakubalwa. Athi bomphako ngelinye ilanga abothi mabezwa ngempilo yakho bathi impela owayekhona empilweni yakhe makangincede namhlanje, owayekhona empilweni yakhe makangenzela umusa namhlanje. Muvumele uNkulunkulu akwenza umphako odlekayo. Muvumele uNkulunkulu akwenza umphako ozophilisa isizwe sakhe. Muvumele uNkulunkulu akwenza umphako ozoshintsha uguqule isimo sakini sabangakazalwa. Abantu mawubevuka bevula amehlo bazalwe phekomphako ongasoze wabola. Khona inkonzo uNkulunkulu ayivusayo, khona ubufakazi uJehova abenzayo, khona amaqhinga uNkulunkulu aphekwawo ngempilo yakho. Uthi ubhala kahle, uthi bheka, kwakunendoda eyayicebile. Kufuna ngelinye ilanga abantu bakubuke ekugugeni kwakho. Kufuna ngelinye ilanga abantu babuke impilo zabo ebese bethola amandla ukuthi impilo yakhe ibe ubufakazi obaphilisile. Impilo yakhe ibe ubufakazi obasondeze uNkulunkulu. Impilo yakhe ibe ubufakazi ebakhombisile ukuthembeka kukaNkulunkulu. Uthi verse 19, bheka kwakukhona indoda eyayicebile, eyayigqoka ingubo ezayibiza ngendlela eyisimanga, yayiphila idla izambane likapondwe. Kodwa futhi verse 20 athi kodwa futhi kwakukhona nendoda ogama layo lunguLazarus, umzimba wayo wawugcwele izilonda. Babevama ukuyithatha bayilethe eduze komnyango wendoda eyayicebile, ngoba wayinethemba uLazarus ukuthi uzodla amaqebelengwane esinkwa awa from etafuleni lale ndoda. Athi ubhala kahle nezinja zazimkhotha amanxeba Kunamagama amabili engifuna ukukhuluma ngawo kancane, ngicela ungibhalela wona phansi. Significance and success. These are two words. Significance and success. Empilweni kunalento esivuka ngayo. As we grow, we all want to be successful. I want to make a mark in life. I want to be successful. I want to be a success. And half of our lives, most of their lives, they thrive for this as to be successful. I want to earn imali njengemali. Ngifuna ukuhlala emzini omkhulu. Ngifuna ukuhamba ngemoto enkulu. Ngifuna ukuphila a comfortable life. And there's nothing wrong with that. It's a blessing from God. Ukuphila impilo uze uthi engiyakukhulekela lokhu, ngiyakufisa lokhu kuyilowo nayilowo wethu. Kufike esigabeni la uthi khona sengiphila emkhulekweni naseyifisweni enganginazo kusukela ebuncaneni bami. Angikholelwa ukuthi uNkulunkulu khona umuntu amdalela ukuba ahlupheke. Angikholelwa ukuba uNkulunkulu khona umuntu amdalela ukuba axakeke. Sonke we were destined to be successful. To be successful in our own ways, within our own limits. Ngiyakholelwa lokho. Ingakho umkhuleko wami uyohlezi usimple. Sengathi uNkulunkulu angakupha lokhu ayifise ukuba ube nakho. Ingakho umkhuleko wami uyohlezi uthi sengathi uNkulunkulu angakubuyisela konke okudliwe isikhonyana. Ingakho umkhuleko wami uyohlezi usimple uthi uNkulunkulu makaqaqele zonke izinto ezibophe impumelelo yakho. Ngiyakholwa mina ukuthi uNkulunkulu uNkulunkulu ophanayo. John chapter 10 verse 10 uthi, I have come so that you may have life and life in abundance. uNkulunkulu wethu ithandwa zami kumele singamenzi uNkulunkulu ezifu uNkulunkulu ohluphekayo. That's not the truth. uNkulunkulu wethu uNkulunkulu osinikeza konke. uNkulunkulu osenzela konke. uNkulunkulu ophana ngendlela eyisimanga. And uNkulunkulu ofuna ukusibona sisimama. Ingakho ngithi mina, whatever is meant to be yours, asimcela uNkulunkulu ukuthi let it find its way towards you. Whatever was meant to be coming your way, angabi khona into ezoyivimba, mayingabi khona into ezoyintshontsha, mayingabi khona into ezofuna ukuba i-redirecte igcine ingafinyelelanga kuwena. But equally important, mayingabi khona i-illusion eyitshela ukuthi nakha yengifunela kona, if kuwukuthi kusakhona uNkulunkulu angifunela kona. Kwesinye isikhathi siba nale illusion, and sometimes njengeyingane siyakwenza. Ngibambelele entweni ngiyitshela ukuthi this is it. Athi uNkulunkulu nomntanami, bekusayistarta lesi. Ngithi mina this is it. Athi nomntanami, bengisakuzwisa nje. This is it. Athi uNkulunkulu mntanami, you are in a tasting mode, tasting sphere of your life. Yabona thandwa zami, khona mungena ezitolo uthi mungena esitolo khona labantu abasitastisayo uthatha utaste nge-toothpick udle okay bimnandi uphinde utaste khona lama ukuthi nosinyama khona inyama esithi yasesithebeni ama-bites khona abanye bethu esitshela ukuthi sesifikile athi uNkulunkulu nosimanman this is just a starter nosimanman this is just a tasting phase nosibanibani bengikuzwisa nje ama-snacks lawa nosibanibani ama-bites lawa uthini umkhuleko wami sengathi uNkulunkulu ubengasinikeza amehlo namadlebe nengqondo yokuqonda ukuthi yes kubukeka sengathi kuyikona konke kodwa it's not, it's only a snack. Kubukeka sengathi kuyikona konke kodwa it's not, it's only a bite. Kubukeka ngathi sekuyikona konke kodwa it's not, it's only a starter. Athi uNkulunkulu engikuhlelele kona kuyeza, engikufunele kona kuyeza. And so kumina kuhlezi kunalento ukuthi yini ungamthembi, yini unganikeli kuyena, yini ungasho ukuthi okay Nkosi ngi-enjoyile lesa starter kodwa ke whatever you've ordered as a main meal, I'm willing to taste it, I'm willing to eat it, and I'm willing to enjoy it. Thandwa zami khona lento uNkulunkulu ayifunela isidalwa esingumuntu. Mhlawumbe kumina kuhlezi kunalento ukuthi may my hunger be aligned to God's mercy. May my hunger be aligned to God's providence. May my hunger be aligned to God's dream for me. Ngoba kwesinye isikhathi ngenxa yendlala ngigcina ngidle istarter, ngigcina ngidle ibite, ngigcina ngidle lokhu ebekuthiwa nje awubamba indlala ngakho, ngigcina ngikudla kodwa mase kufika ukudla kwangempela ngithi sengisuthi. Mhlambe naku umkhuleko wami, Nkosi ngenxa yokulamba kwami ngicela ungisize ngingasuthiswa inoma yini. Nkosi ngenxa yokulamba kwami ngicela ungisize ngingasuthiswa inoma yini. Thandwa zami yazi mina kuyavuka ukuthi in our hunger, in our frustration, in our desperation, never lose what God has been preparing all these years for you. Never lose what God has been preparing all these years for you. Kunalento uNkulunkulu akufisela yona. Kunalento uNkulunkulu akuthandela yona. Kunalento uNkulunkulu ayibonela wena. Lento ifana nomuntu okuthandayo uma esesitolo noma ebehambile makhona into ayibonayo mengena esitolo athi izomfanele usibanibani lento, uzoyithanda usibanibani lento. Njalo noNkulunkulu. Yazi kwesinye isikhathi ngeke ngithi mina asicele ipatience, asifunde ukulinda ukuthi khona lento uNkulunkulu angithandela yona. My God, ngiyalithanda lelo gama. Ikhona lento uNkulunkulu angithandela yona. Yazi ngikhumbula sisezingane, we were very much comfortable ukuthi kahlehle thina ingabo kaKhisimusi sasithengelwa abazali, in a sense ukuthi sasikhethelwa ibona babesithandele lezo zinto. It's only later on sesikhula sesiqala ukuhlakanipha sesifuna izitayela ayithi nasithanda ukuthi nokuthi kodwa all these other years ibona babesikhethela ingubo esizoyiqoka, ibona babesikhethela ukudla esizokudla, ibona babesikhethela impilo esasiphila. And kwesinye isikhathi ngiyathi mina siyawudinga lo mkhuleko sengathi Nkosi ungaqhubeka ungiphe lokhu wena ongithandela khona. ukuthi inkosi ngenxa yokulamba kwami mangingasuthiswa inoma yini, ngenxa yokulamba kwami angingagcini sengidla noma yini, ngenxa yokulamba kwami angingagcini sengamukela noma yini, because it mase kufika okuyisabelo sami moya ongcwele. Kodwa ibonge libhale phansi lekami, okuyisabelo sami. I wish you can reflect on this word. Okuyisabelo sami. It's not even my inheritance. It's not even my inheritance. Ngabelwe, it's not even my inheritance, but okuyisabelo sami. Ongifisela kona, ongithandela kona, ongibonelele kona ukuthi wena kungifanele. It's bigger than my inheritance. Because inheritance, it's what I get because you are kind to me and you share with me. But ngifisa okuyisabelo. Not ifa. Ngifisa okuyisabelo. Ey'thandwa zami. Umuntu nomuntu unesabelo sakhe. Umuntu nomuntu unezinto uNkulunkulu athi ngikufunela ukuthi, mina ngikuthandela ukuthi, mina bengifisa ube nokuthi. Ngiyafisa engathi imkhuleko yethu bingathi, Nkosi ngicela uma sengi-right ungiphe okuyisabelo sami. Uma sekuthandeka kuwena, uma sekukuhle futhi, ngicela unginike okuyisabelo sami. That is success. We are all destined to be successful. But as you grow older empilweni, with all the success you've accumulated, St. Augustine says our hearts are restless. And you realize, ukuthi, I want more to life. And some people ask this question, surely there must be more to life than this. Surely I need more. I can do more. Thandazami, have you ever reached that stage in your life where you say, nginakho konke kodwa it seems as if khona into esashota. It seems as if khona into engisayilambele. It seems as if khona into engisayidinga. I want more out of life. And that is spiritual growth at another level. And all of us, if we are attentive enough, if we listen enough, all of us can reach that level in our lives where you say, but surely there must be more to life than this. I want something deeper. I want something substantial. I want something ezongisuthisa. I always make an example. Either you can get me minced meat or you can get me a nice juicy steak. And I've been eating, snacks. I've been eating this. I've been eating that. And I say, but when is the real thing? And a great number of people have this longing for something of depth, for something of great worth. And that's when the second word comes into play, significance. I want to live a significant life. A life that makes a significant meaning into someone else. Ngifuna ukuphila impilo abanye abantu abazophila ngayo. Ngifuna ukuphila impilo abanye abantu abazogaina ngayo. As we grow older, it's not about how successful I have been. It's about how impactful my life has been. It's no longer about success. Yes, success I can see and I've done it. But there's a shift. Am I impactful? Am I significant? Am I helping abanye abantu in their lives? And as we move into that level of existence, as we move into that level of our spirituality, then life becomes meaningful. Because we know, I want to live a significant life. Ngiyafuna abantu abaseduze kwami impilo zabo zibe ngcono. Thandazami, I always say this, and I continue to say it. Be a blessing in the lives of the people around you. Let me be a blessing empilweni zabantu abaseduze kwami. Angabi khona umuntu ofayo ebengingakwazi ukumsiza, olambayo ebengingakwazi ukumnika ukudla, okomitha isuicide ebengingakwazi ukuba ngimlalele, oba depressed ebengingakwazi ukuhlala naye. Be a blessing. Let those who come into your presence experience the love of God through you. Yabona thandwa zami, kunalento ehlalayo empilweni yami. I don't think iningi labantu besasemhlabeni bayoke bambone uNkulunkulu ngehlo lenyama. But we experience God through other people. We experience love through other people. We experience a sense of belonging, of acceptance through other people. And labantu uma sibasusa kunale element eshintshayo. Labantu mabeshona kunale void ebakhona. It is not ukuthi labantu bawuthando, labantu by forgiveness, labantu by sense of belonging. No. But God uses them in order for us to experience what is divine. Yabona, John chapter 1 verse 14 is so deep if you see it and analyze it. God, who is the Word, became flesh, became one of us, became a human person, so that mina nawe can experience God's love in a human language, in a human experience. Abaphile abantu ngawe. Abaphile abantu ngawe. Ngiyamcela mina uNkulunkulu ithandwa zezulu, abantu abasondele empilweni yakho, abantu ohlangana nabo, let them walk away having experienced the love of God. Let them walk away having seen wanginakekela uNkulunkulu. Hlezi ngithi mina baze bathwala abantu bakaNkulunkulu, baze basindelwa abantu bakaNkulunkulu, baze bacindezeleka abantu bakaNkulunkulu. And so ubukhona bami nawe. At least suse kancane lo yamthwalo. At least asibakhumbuzeni umusa nothando lukaNkulunkulu by our actions, by our love. Go back to this beautiful thing. They shall know who you are. They shall know who you are by your love. By your love. People will know uthando lukaNkulunkulu ngathi. There's so much going on. There's so much heaviness. And by our love, they will experience the love and the warmth of God. Bazomazi. Akuthi mabembona. Akuthi mabem experience. Bakhumbula ukuthi uNkulunkulu ke waba muhle ngosibanibani. These two verses can teach us a lot. What do I choose? To remain successful or to go beyond my success and live a significant life, an impactful life? There are also other things I find interesting. There was a rich man, had expensive clothes, lived a great life. There was a Lazarus at his door whose body was covered in sores. Dogs licked his wounds. Thandwazami, look around you. Umbuzo engithi mhlambe kumele siyibuze wona ukuthi Nkosi hlobo luni lwabantu olusondeze empilweni yami. Hlobo luni lwabantu engithola nginabo around me. Hlobo luni lwabantu engithola ngidrawn towards. Yabona khona abanye abantu who are just drawn towards elderly people. Khona abanye abantu who are just drawn towards kids. Khona abanye abantu who are drawn towards those with mental disabilities or mental health issues. Khona abanye abantu who are drawn towards kids with special needs. Khona abanye abantu who are drawn towards abantu abaxakekile. Khona abanye abantu who are just drawn towards people who carry emotional baggage or emotional heaviness. The mere fact that you are drawn towards those people, akuzibuza ukuthi Nkosi ngenzeka yini ukuthi uhlobo lwabantu lolu ofisa ngilisondeze kuwena. One of the things that I've learned in life over the years in my ministry, God's ministry rather, in my life, uNkulunkulu abantu akunikeze bona ngaleso sikhathi. In as much as you are meant to impact on their lives, they are also meant to impact on your life. Ingakho ngesizulu kuthiwa izandla ziyagezana. By being good to someone, by being kind to someone, automatically it heals our wounds. It saves our lives. Mother Teresa once said something so powerful. She said, "It is not always the poor that need us. Sometimes we need the poor more than they need us." Lento boyibuka enganeni nomzali. Kwesinye isikhathi ave kulula kuthina ukuthi abantu abami bayangidinga, abantu abami bawukuthi, my God, I miss my kids. And then you run to them. My God, I want to spend time with my husband. And you run to him. My God, I want to spend time with my wife. And you run to her. My God, I want to spend time with my family. And you go to them. Sometimes you realize as you grow older, it is not the poor that need us. We need them more than they need us. Sometimes holding your baby in your arms and talking to your baby and loving your baby and sitting with your baby does you more good than lengane ezothi misibhorekile wena iputshuluke la kuwena igijima ihambe yodlala ithi ayeye mina mama sengifuna ukuhamba hayi mina baba sengifuna ukuhamba, and when you realize ukuthi I was still enjoying loving you. The people abasempilweni yami nawe abawona umthwalo, they are a blessing. They are not a burden, they are a blessing. Ngiyabonga Nkosi ngabantu ababekile empilweni yami. Ngiyabonga Nkosi ngomndeni onginike wona. Yes, I'm not denying ukuthi kunama dynamics. I'm not denying ukuthi kunama issues. I'm not denying ukuthi sometimes inama challenges. Kodwa Nkosi ngiyabonga ngabo. Nkosi bayisibusiso empilweni yami. Now there are few things that are quite interesting. Lazarus has a name. A rich man is unknown. Lazarus ugcwele ilonda. A rich man igqoke ingubo ezibizayo. Lazarus udla the crumbs that fall off the table. The rich man has everything in abundance. Lazarus has dogs licking his wounds. The rich man has servants serving him at his table. Looking at these two characters, looking at your life right now, mina nawe sigepi. Are we leaning more towards Lazarus, or are we leaning more towards the rich man? And sometimes we are in and out. Sometimes one character is more dominant than the other. Sometimes only when we sit and analyze our lives, we discover where we at. But these two characters sometimes exist in our lives. Sometimes they show up in our lives. Yabona ithando zami, bakhona abanye abantu empilweni abazibona bengafunwa, abazibona bengathandwa. They struggle with rejection. And abanye, it is real rejection that stems from their childhood. Abanye, it is enforced rejection. Abanye, it is an illusion, but they struggle with it. But khona abanye abantu empilweni abazibona bengafunwa umuntu. Khona abanye abantu ngenxa yokwenza nokukhuluma kwabo bagcina abanye abantu bebabalekela. Sometimes ulimi labo is so harsh. Ukwenza kwabo is too inconsiderate. And you realize ukuthi indlela abaphila nabaphilisana ngayo nabanye abantu. Umuzwa omunye umuntu ethi ayi kungcono mhlambe uqhelelana nosibanibani. Kungcono ukuba mhlambe ngibe with less communication noSibanibani, ngoba njalo uma sindawonye ngiyalimala. Mhlambe kwesinye isikhathi ngcono ukuthi yena abele nami ngibele. Then you soon realize ukuthi abanye bethu balinyazwa yizinto nezinqumo ezithathwe yithina uqobo lwethu, ukuthi mhlambe inkinga asiboni, asinakile, abanye abanendaba. Kodwa uma ukuthi besikwazi uthi lo mfana wamaGreek uSocrates, an unreflected life is not worth living. Mina ngifuna ukuthi an unreflected life is dangerous. An unreflected life is dangerous. Kanjani? Ngoba I tend to be doing the same mistakes over and over again. And anginaye umuntu okwazi ukungibonisa, nami futhi njengomuntu angikwazi ukuhlala ngireflecte ngempilo yami. Thandwa zami, kunezinto ezibalekile uma ungumuntu kumele ureflecte. Kwenzakalani empilweni yami? Thandwa zami, akuve kubhlungu, kunzima ukulapha umuntu, ukusiza umuntu who always thinks i-problem ikomunye umuntu. Noma ngathiwa you are a greatest therapist, greatest psychologist, greatest confessor, greatest counselor, kunzima ukulapha umuntu who believes ukuthi inkinga ihlezi ikomunye umuntu, yena has nothing to do with it. Kunzima ukuconvince sometimes omunye umuntu ukuthi, but Sibanibani, have you ever looked at it this way? Have you ever considered this as a possibility? Ngoba yena uhlezi ezibona right, yena uhlezi ezibona victim, yena uhlezi eyibona engafunwa, yena uhlezi eyibona eshawa ibo bonke abantu. Kanti kwesinye isikhathi kubalekile uma usumdala ngengqondo nangokuhlakanipha, uhlale phansi ukubuke ukuthi hayibo, khathe nginenkinga noSibanibani, hayi ngasuka, nganenkinga nalo, ngasuka, nganenkinga futhi nalo, hayi abazani nje, abahlobene nje. Kungenzekani ukuthi mina ohamba nalenkinga angike ngiyibukisise kahle lento? Kunalento engiyibukayo, izilonda zini ezikake umzimba kaLazaro? No, izilonda zini ezikake inhliziyo yakho? Izilonda ziyabhibha, ezinye zinama-scabs, ezinye zinegazi, ezinye zinobovu, ezinye zivuvukele. Zilonda zini ezikake impilo yami? Baningi abantu abanezilonda, baningi abantu abalimele, baningi abantu abasikekile, baningi abantu abashayekile. Bari umbuzo wami, zilonda zini ezikake impilo yami? Lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu, his body was covered with wounds. His body was covered with sores. Mhlawumbe umbuzo wami mina uthi, wena eyakho inhliziyo ikakwe zilonda ezinjani? owakho umphefumulo ukakwe zilonda ezinjani, owakho umndeni ukakwe zilonda ezinjani, eyakho impilo ikakwe zilonda ezinjani. Thando zami, we are all wounded. We are all wounded. Wayethi omunye ufata, kahlehle sonke siyagula. Okusho kahlehle ufata uSiduduzo Madlala. Nangu lo fata lo ola eMatiko. Uyayathi yena Gateway the Pearls omakhelwane bakhe. Wayethi ufata uSiduduzo Madlala, wathi sonke siyagula ukuthi sekuma different wards asiziboni kodwa. Uthi khona abase ICU, khona abase high care, khona bakuma general wards, athi kodwa khona futhi naba la ma OPD. Athi kodwa sonke siyagula, khona abahleli la kuma emergency, athi kodwa sonke siyagula. Now, you know what fascinates me? Methi sonke siyagula. Mase ngihlala sengizindla sengijula. Hayibo, ngike ngathi ukuyibheka lento kancane ukuthi mawukuthi sonke siyagula, kungenzeka ukuthi nodokotela ongilaphayo nomhlengazi ongilaphayo naye uyagula. Kungenzeka ukuthi lo muntu olwisana naye ethi uzokusiza naye unotwayi lakhe, naye unokuxakeka kwakhe, naye unosizi lwakhe, kodwa yena uncamele ukuhlehliso kwakhe ukuze abe present into your life. My God, khona leli gama engilithandayo, showing up. There are some people who have the greatest gift of just showing up. They always show up. They always show up. When you need them the most, they're there. They show up. Spiritually, they show up. Physically, they show up. Mentally, they show up. Emotionally, they show up. Khona abantu empilweni who just show up. Khuleka, I'll be here. I'll show up. Awubaceli. They just show up. They just show up. And they stay with you. They just show up. And they help you. They just show up. And they say, I'm here. Yazi khona into eyisimanga eyenziwa abantu abampisholo. Kahle kahle emakhaya makuzongcwatshwa isidumbu somuntu, abamenywa abantu abazomba umgodi, abaqashwa abantu abazomba umgodi. They just show up. They just show up. They leave whatever. They show up. My God, kwezinye indawo baqala ekuseni, kwezinye indawo baqala kusemnyama ukumba igodi. Balimbe boze baliqede, baqale benze konke baliqede. And abanye babo bohamba umzimba wakho usuphansi sebewugqibile. And guess what? Bakhokhelwa malini? Nothing. They just show up. Khona abanye abantu azinkosi, khona abanye abantu abane gift of showing up. When you least expect them, when you need them the most, when you are at your worst, they show up. Yazi ngathi uNkulunkulu angasipha lelo gracia, Nkosi, grant me the grace to show up. Grant me the grace to show up. Just grant me that grace. Show up. Someone may need you. In your home, in your own home, in your own family, among your own siblings, with your own children. Just show up. Just show up. That's all they need. They only need us to show up. And sometimes thina hawu yazi mina bengiyitshela nje ukuthi ayinasimanga lento, mina bengiyitshela nje ukuthi ngiyadlula ngizokubona, mina bengiyitshela nje ukuthi it's a quick hello, mina bengiyitshela nje ukuthi I'm just testing you, mina bengiyitshela nje ukuthi hayibo unjani. And it does a lot empilweni yomunye umuntu. Showing up is one of the greatest gifts you can never do for someone else. Showing up. Umuzwa omunye umuntu ethi ngiyabonga mfethu, I didn't know I needed this conversation. I didn't know I needed this call. I didn't know I missed you so much. I didn't know I needed this coffee. It's called showing up. Just show up. That's all. Show up. Now there's something that also fascinates me. Empilweni kaLazarus, guess who was showing up? Empilweni kaLazarus, guess who was showing up? Dogs. Dogs. It was not any other human beings. At least in this instance, it was dogs. Dogs were licking his sores. Walashwa izinja. They kept him company and they licked his sores. Play a game with me. Write the word dog. Capital letter. D-O-G. Write that word for me. And next to it, a hyphen, a space. Write it other way around. D-O-G. Hyphen space. Write it other way around. It's God. Dogs. Dog. Dog. Licked his wounds. Inja. A dog. Stayed with him. And just write that. From a dog, there's a God. Iche abalahlayo abakhi seliphenduke inhloko igumbi. The stone which the builders rejected has become a cornerstone. Into ebibukeka idelelekile, into ebukeke ilutho, ingenamsebenzi. It was only a dog that licked his wounds. It was only God that understood his pain. It was only a dog that licked his wounds. It was only God who understood his pain. And that for me is powerful. Just play with that word, dog. Play with that word, God. Turn it around. Khona into ozitshela wena ukuthi izokubulala, kanti uNkulunkulu uzoyithena around for your blessing. Khona into ozitshela ukuthi izokudestroya, kanti uNkulunkulu uzoyithena around for your blessing. Khona incident ezokwenzeka uyitshela ukuthi this is the end of you, kanti uNkulunkulu is going to flip it over for your blessing. Whatever eyenzakalayo, allow God to flip it for your blessing. Whatever odlula kuyona, allow God to flip it for your blessing. Whatever eyenzeka kubantwana bakho, allow God to flip it for their blessing. Whatever eyenzeka emshadweni wakho, allow God to flip it for your blessing. Whatever eyenzeka emsebenzini, emndenini, emphakathini, allow God to flip it for blessing. Flip it. Allow God to flip it from a dog to a God. Allow God to flip it. Ungabi superficial. Ungahlali osebeni. Unganeliswa yinto nje. Allow God to flip it. Allow God to flip it. Ngelinye ilanga, you will look back and you will smile and you will laugh and you'll be like, suka kude nalo nkulunkulu wami. Then there's something also that fascinates me. What was he waiting for? What was he waiting on? The crumbs that fell from the table. The crumbs. What fed this man were the crumbs that fell from the table. You know, I'm fascinated by that. He was never fed by the sumptuous meals. He was never fed by the greatest meals decked and set on the tables that were long along the hallway. No. Wayedla umvuthuluka. Wayephila ngemvuthu. You know, I always tell this story whenever I get a chance. Ekhaya thina sakhuliswa isalukwazi esasipheka ugavini senze isiqatha nemfulamfula. Ekhaya la ngikhule khona sakhuliswa isalukwazi esasidayisa utshwala. Yangimangaza mina lento. This man is fed, he is nourished by the crumbs that fell from the table. Yabona sikhula kuna lento okhula uyazi musumdala. Whether udle ama cereals, noma udle bacon and egg, your English breakfast, noma udle isicukwana, noma udle umfudumezo, noma udleni. Mase sikubuka thina ngeke sazi ukuthi udleni. Asiyazi into ekondlile. Asiyazi into ekhulisile. Kodwa esikwaziyo ukubekezela kwakho has made you the person you are. Isibindi sakho has made you the person you are. Ukwamkela kwakho isimo has made you the person you are. Ukuzinikela kwakho has made you the person you are. Kwesinye isikhathi baningi abazohleka ikini. Kwesinye isikhathi baningi abazobukisa ngendawo ovela kuyona. Bekezela mntaka ma. uNkulunkulu kukhula zokwenza ngawe. Mina uNkulunkulu uhleze engimangaza ngokuthatha into engelutho. Yambona uNkulunkulu athatha into engelutho, athatha into asebeyilahlile, athatha into eyinhlekisa. Athi, I'm going to redesign. I'm going to refurbish. I'm going to remake. I'm going to redo. Abathe sengakulahla akusasebenzi. Thandwa zami, ungagive up ngoNkulunkulu ngoba yena akakwazi ukugive up ngawo. Ungasheshi uhlehle kuNkulunkulu ngoba kuningi asafuna ukwenza ngathi. Ungasheshi ulahle ithemba kuNkulunkulu ngoba akayiqedi project ayenzayo empilweni zethu. Ngibuka le ndoda ehleli engenalutho elinde ukuwa kwemvuthu uma ezokwazi ukudla. Akakwazi ukuyoyithathela etafuleni, akakwazi ukuyoyiphakela etafuleni, kodwa uhleli uyababuka bedla. Uma sekuphonswa phansi acoshe, uma kuwa phansi acoshe. Let me say this last thing. Ngithe umzimba wakhe, izilonda zakhe zikhothwa izinja. So uma kuwa kudla yena nezinja, uma kuwa ubanga nezinja, uma kuwa ufida yena nezinja zakhe. Izinja ziyakwazi ukudla ngoba yena uhleli eduze kwetafula. Uyakwazi ukuhlala eduze kwetafula ngoba izilonda zakhe ikhothwa izinja. My God, that's something. Izinja bengekwazi ukudla ngoba bezoyishaba ixosha, kodwa ngoba ukhona zizokhotha izilonda zakhe nezinja izothola isabelo zidle. Yena ubengekakwazi ukusondela ayohlala ngoba izilonda zakhe mhlawumbe ziyabhibha, inegazi, ingcolile, kodwa ngoba ikhothwa izinja, iphunga lazo ngeke abantu mhlambe bayinake, ungcola kwazo ngeke bakunake. Ngifuna ukuthi kunezinto mhlambe ezenzakalile empilweni yakho, kunezinto ezenzakalile emndenini, kunezinto ezenzakalile emshadweni, kunezinto ezenzakalile ngokuhamba kama wena wayitshela ukuthi konke sekuphelile, kodwa ufuna ukuthi ukuba kwenzakalanga ngaba ukho la ukhona, ukuba kwenzakalanga ngabe lesibusisa usitholi, ukuba kwenzakalanga ngabe lento emangalisayo ayikafikanga empilweni yakho. Kwesinye isikhathi izinto mazenzeka ungambuza uNkulunkulu why. Kwesinye isikhathi izinto mazenzeka thana ngiyabonga Nkosi ngoba usungibeke la, qhubeza umsebenzi owuqalile. Ngoba ususondeza usibanibani, qhubeza umsebenzi owuqalile. Ngoba usuwenze lolu hlelo, qhubeza umsebenzi owuqalile. Ngegama likaYise benendodana nomoya ocebile.